Yo, gentle people, Bunny here. So, what's going on? So, honestly, as you can already tell by the video title and all that, I don't really have anything major to present for this video. The only thing I really and truly have to say, plus a little extra, is just Merry Christmas. And I really and truly hope everyone's having an awesome time with their family, our family and friends, living it up. Be sure to stay safe this season. Honestly, I just really wanted to do this video. It's nothing too dramatic, honestly. It's just a pretty simple and straightforward video, but it's a personal message from me, myself, and I. But yeah, I just hope everyone's having a safe and wonderful holiday season. Of course, if I got if I got everything right in my head, I should be getting a message for you guys from Monique, that little Christmas message. I hope I get that from her today to, give to you guys. So there's that to look out for. I know I did also mention that I'd start uploading a play before the end of the year. I did mention it would be Bashman Granny in my previous video, I believe, but it's ends up being that it's going to be Bashman Granny 2. So you can look out for the first part of that later today. So yeah, there's that to look forward to. But all in all, I mean, it's crazy to think that we started this channel in January and it's almost been a complete year since we started. And I just want to wish, or basically thank all you guys out there that have subscribed, you've come on, you've supported the channel, you've left your comments. I mean, I read basically all the comments, so it is what it is. I just want to wish, and I just extend my thanks. I mean, we have some plans in store for 2019, and I hope myself, my team here at BLA Productions, my team and I hope we can continue to put a smile on all your faces, like we've been doing these past 12 months, give or take. So yeah, but yeah, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes. I'll most likely be doing another video like this on Christmas Eve, more than likely. So you can definitely look out for that. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Enjoy your time with your family. Don't get too wild now. And I guess I'll see you in the next one, people.